Hey friends, it's Gabrielle Ishell. Thank you for joining my channel today. I wanted to just give you a few tips that I write down here. One, consistency. That's the most important thing you want to, well, there's a lot of things that are important, but I think consistency is very important. You post the same day every week, or you post the same 2 days every week, or you post the same time every week. Being consistent, because people who follow you, they'll know when to expect a video from you. And also being consistent with what you post, I guess, because you know, people talk about niches, and I think those are fine, which is, I have a niche, which is natural hair, but then I also kind of branch out to beauty and lifestyle. That just covers everything else. But for the most part on my channel, you'll see natural hair videos. And providing that is being consistent, because people know what they'll get from my channel just from looking on it. The next thing, SEO, I already said that. I'm not gonna say anything else, but that's important to me. That's number 2 on my list. And 3, use others as inspiration, but put your own twist to it. You don't want to imitate someone outright, but if I see another natural hair content creator doing a video on like a review of something that is like just released or something, this is what I did too. And so thank you to this YouTuber. But I saw a YouTuber doing a video on some new product. I was like, oh shoot, they're getting a lot of views. Let me do my own review, you know, give my own opinion on this product. And it worked really well. So, and another thing with that, you do trends, you hop on trends. One thing I was doing in 2019 actually, and the video kind of went viral for YouTube, was my DIY reef. And I talk about this in every video where I talk about my YouTube analytics. I hopped on a trend. I did it when it first started, and I was able to get my videos out there. Videos, yes, I said videos, because if you do one good video, one well-performing video, and you see that it's taking off, you want to do something just like that video so that those videos can take off too. So I did like 3 follow-up videos on that video, and they all did really well. So that's like 2 tips right there. 4, let the algorithm work. A successful video doesn't happen overnight, and that's where I showed you my Rose video. It didn't happen overnight. It was like a month and a half for it to kind of start taking off, and now it's almost at 120,000 views, which is amazing. 5, take time to plan out your content. Here I have my journal. It says if you can dream it, you can do it. But I write all of my content, well, not all of them anymore, but I do. Let me see if I can find a page, but it has like video ideas, and I just list video ideas, and then from there I'll decide if I actually want to do them or not. But just putting them down, like having, and it doesn't even have to be physical paper, you can type them up. I also have a content calendar on my Google spreadsheet, so I can't find the list. It should be in the front. Initial video ideas. So this is before I even started my channel. I made a list of things that I would potentially talk about. So that's definitely one time. You want to take the time to plan your content. You want to make quality content so that you can have some type of schedule, which ties back into being consistent. You want to have a schedule and call it quality over quantity. Yes, it's nice that you have a lot of videos, but are they quality videos? And then a few other tips before getting started. Just do it. Be educated and informed first, so do your research, watch my video, and share it to all your friends who are also looking to do YouTube videos. My point here says research, find YouTubers who talk about this type of thing, which is what I'm doing in this video. I have a question here. Is YouTube oversaturated? Yes and no. There's a lot of people on YouTube. There's millions of people on YouTube, but that's why you have your niche, because it'll create an audience, because people want to go to your channel for this specific thing. So within your niche, and some niches may be oversaturated, but there's only one you. You're unique, and so what you provide to someone may be very different than what someone else provides. The delivery of whatever you're providing is different based on the person. So they might like your personality, and that's probably why they might choose your channel over someone else's channel, even though you're talking about the same type of thing, you know? So that ties into my next one. It says be yourself. You want to be yourself because you can't really hide, like, well, I guess you can, but eventually it will come out who you are. So you want to be yourself. Sometimes I can be a little goofy, and I said this in my last one. Sometimes I can be a little goofy, and someone pointed it out in the video, and they put it in a comment, and that really warmed my heart, because I know I can be goofy and silly and like weird sometimes, but I don't know how that's going to come across on YouTube. And for someone to say that they appreciate it, or they liked that I was being like goofy or weird or whatever, it really made me be like, wow, someone likes me for who I am. And I know a lot of people like me for who I'm not trying to, you know, whatever. People like you for who you are. Isn't like, you don't want to put on a persona that you're not. You don't want to be someone else. You want to be yourself. Next, your channel page, make it inviting. So that's one thing I was going to say. I'm going to go back to my channel and actually walk you guys through a little bit of what kind of went into this page. Another one is to respond to comments, create a community. It's like having a conversation with someone. So if someone comments on your video and they ask a question that you might not have hit in your video, comment back, say thank you so much for watching. Here's the answer, XYZ, blah, blah, blah. And they'll be like, oh, because this happened to me. I commented on someone's video and they responded to me. I'm like, oh, they responded to me. I want to keep watching their stuff because they're nice. And even if I listen to their videos and I don't quite understand something, I have a question, they'll answer it. So that gets subscribers that way, I think. Just being yourself and responding to people. You don't want to make it like you're better than someone. Like, I mean, if you get a lot of viewers, if you have like 1 million subscribers, maybe you have fans. So you're still not better than anyone, but you have fans and there's a lot of comments to reply to. So once you get big, I understand not replying to every comment, but if you don't reply to them, you can like it, you can heart it or whatever, so that they know that you see their comments. And then last thing here, it says use analytics because they are so helpful, which is what this whole video was about. So I hope this video was helpful. And before I let you guys go, if you're still watching, because we know that the average view is and attention span is really low. So if you guys are still watching, we're going to screen record one more time, and I'm just going to show you my channel, my page, and I changed it since the last time I made this type of video. So the banner, you want to have it inviting. You want to tell people what you're doing videos on. So I say natural hair, beauty, and lifestyle. And natural hair is the first one because that's why I created my channel, to document my natural hair journey. So, and then my name is in big, bold, block letters there, and then I have a picture of myself. So my theme here is a blush pink color. So the first video, you see the title, or in the thumbnail, it's pink. My picture is pink. The banner's pink. My clothing is pink. So trying to create a theme here. And then, so the first video I have is what viewers see when they come back to my channel. I think it's the one where subscribers see when they come to my channel. They say get to know me, and then new viewers, they see like my top videos. So right now, or my latest video right now is like the Donna recipe video that's there for new people. And then I just have a featured channel. This is my plug to my new channel. I created a home channel, so Gabrielle Ishell Home, and YouTube freaking suspended my channel because they thought I was impersonating myself. Like, they thought someone else was impersonating me with this new channel. I'm like, no, it's me. And I tried to appeal it, and they said no, we're gonna stay with our decision and keep your channel suspended. But then when I try to redo the appeal, they were like, well, you gotta wait 2 weeks. And then when I finally did it, they're like, oh, we're so sorry, we made a mistake. Oh, whatever. If you want to make another channel, actually do it through your first channel. There's a way in the YouTube studio, it says create another channel. So I kind of wish I would have done it that way, so that YouTube knows that it's me creating another channel instead of just having another channel and then making it with, yeah, whatever. So don't get me on a whole other rant. But I only have 3 videos because I plan to post a video every single day for the month of February. But on the 4th day, it got freaking suspended. So that kind of made me unmotivated to make content for this channel, but it's coming. So if you're interested in home stuff, decor, and things like that, go ahead and subscribe to my second channel. Anyways, this is why we are here. This is why I'm here on YouTube, transitioning to natural hair. So I created my channel because I didn't see a lot of videos that were current at the time when I was transitioning, showing people how to transition to natural hair. So I wanted to make videos where people can find and use it as a resource, and also personally me get help because I didn't know what I was doing. So that is why I'm here, and that's always going to be usually the first playlist that I have here, because that's what I want people to see. Like, that's what I offer on my channel, natural hair videos, and you can see the progression because I was not always natural. And then I have natural hair care product reviews. Those were after the big chop, and then I have a playlist for the ones that I used during my transition. And then I have skincare and beauty. And then I have affordable products for natural hair, so it's cheap products basically. I do reviews. And then protective hairstyle tutorials. Those do really well. And then I have my shorts. And then natural hair updates, which we are due for a natural hair update because I haven't done one in looks like 2 years. Oh, 1 year. I did a post that was November 2021, so a year ago. But I used to do them every quarter. We're going to get back onto doing those. Then I have DIY projects. That's another reason why I came on YouTube, because I like to do DIY projects. Although there are not a lot on my channel. There's like 5, but these videos do pretty well. So I want to continue to do more of that, but I might move that onto my new channel. Then I have outfit inspo. So I do a lot of try on clothing hauls, and then YouTube studio and filming equipment. So things like making this backdrop, unboxing my camera, behind the scenes, my ring light, and things like that are on there. So anyways, make your channel page inviting. And so on my homepage, you can see there's a lot of stuff that you can get from my channel. I think I offer a lot for you guys to see. So you have natural hair content, you have beauty, you have fashion, you have YouTube stuff, YouTube studio, filming equipment, things like that. So I think I offer a lot on my channel. And then seasonal things, like when Valentine's Day comes, I have Valentine's Day videos. When Christmas comes, I have Christmas videos. Fall, I have fall videos that I like to rotate in my homepage. So yeah, I said all that to say, you want to make your page inviting. You want to show what you offer, because if you have a bomb video and someone subscribes to your channel, or someone wants to subscribe to your channel, they're going to look at your channel first. They're going to look through your channel, because this is what I do. If you look at your channel, do they post consistently? Are they posting now? Like, are there recent posts? Because if they're not, I'm not subscribing to them, because I know they're not posting right now. So I don't know if they're going to be posting in the future. So if I see someone who posted a video, let's say a week ago, I'm gonna follow them. If they posted the last video like 6 months ago, I probably won't, because that means they might be done with YouTube. So I want to post people who are currently posting videos, and if I want to see their videos in the future, I will see them because they are posting videos. So that's one thing you want to show, what you can provide to people, because people will look before subscribing. And then based on your channel and how your channel is presented, most times people will subscribe if they like what they see. So I really hope my analytics and YouTube tips helped you. If they did, please leave me a comment below. And I guess let me know your favorite tip that I shared. Or if I didn't touch on something that you think I should in a future video, because I do like doing these type of videos where I sit down and just talk about YouTube, because it's interesting to me. And you know, if I talk to someone I know personally that doesn't have, like, they're not, like, they watch YouTube, but they don't have a YouTube channel, so they're not like in the behind the scenes and creating YouTube. It's kind of different to talk about this stuff to someone who doesn't necessarily find it that interesting versus someone like you, the viewer, because you clicked on this video for a reason. You find this stuff interesting and you know what I'm talking about when I'm talking about this stuff. So yeah, so I do like doing these videos because I get to talk about YouTube, which I really usually don't because I'm talking about hair. But I really hope this video was helpful, and if it was, I would really appreciate it if you give me a big thumbs up, and also click the subscribe button and the bell to be notified whenever I post. Another thing, you want to ask your viewers what you want them to do, or tell them what you want. Basically, I want you to subscribe. Well, I want you to subscribe, but I asked you if you can subscribe. So, which is what I just did. Please click the subscribe button and the bell if you're interested in seeing more content like this in the future. And until the next one, bye.